Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Beckers. In this video, we're going to be repairing the button on the hatch of our Prius. It stopped releasing the latch there, so let's check out the Becker bullets and we'll get our butt on.
Let's check out our new button kit. Ordered this online. It's the replacement kit for the whole button. Alright, here it is in all its glory. So we have the button, and then we have the wiring. This is my smart lock button that I have. If you have a Prius or any vehicle with that smart button, then you're familiar with that. Weatherproof seal, and then the little clip. So this is the piece that's broken on mine, and we'll just replace the whole unit because they work together like that. So that's it. Here we go, guys. Here is our before. So I have the version with the backup camera and the smart button. And here is what it looks like right now. EU. So our like rubber button cover is very melted. Apparently it's just a defect with the version. It's like the 07, I think up to like a 2011. They have the same problem. So we're going to replace the rubber cover, but also you can kind of see that little white strip in the background. That is the button, and that's what's actually failing. So that is what we need to replace so that it stops catching and opens every time you press the button. So here's our before shot, and hopefully it looks better in the after. So here is the issue, basically. We get it to pop, but I ripped this piece off. So it's like held on the little clips, but it's not anchored anymore. So I can't actually like pull on this. So we have to come down here and get your finger under the edge. And you gotta like depress the button about 152 times. Until it finally lets go. And this is why we need to replace it. Aha! There we go. Ta-da! So the first thing that we need to do is this panel comes off. So we gotta like work our finger up in here, get a screwdriver, and start to just pop this piece off. It pops straight out. And there's no like attachment, so it just comes out and then it clips back in. So that is our next step, and for that I've got my handy dandy screwdriver. So a lot of the time in the videos they start on one of these corners, so I'm just gonna do that because that's what everybody else does. There are little plastic like priors you can get, little like shiv type things, but I'm just gonna do a screwdriver. I feel like it should kind of like pop loose like one clip at a time, you know? Oh, there we go. Well, there we go. All clips are in the back, unlike the rest of the videos, and that was Ninja. That is why Jesse is the muscles around here. Okie dokie. Let's see here. So this is what we're working with. This right here is what we're going to unclip and replace. There's a couple of other steps, but this right here is what we're going for. So when you're looking, that's what you need. All right, so next step.
Okay, so when you're looking at your back hatch, there's going to be 4 screws that you're going to need to take out. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Now on our project, however, like I said before, it's a little bit different. So ours just comes right off.
So as you can see,
we are kind of busted along these little clips that the screw anchors into on this side. So we're going to do a little backyard mechanicking on that later. But for now, let's go ahead and now that this is off, we can go ahead and start undoing all this. So we're going to unplug it on the other side. But right here is this like weather stripping piece. So basically, we're work it out of its hole. It's just like a little rubber stopper. But you want to start with that on this side. And then I'm going to go inside and unplug it. Okay, so here we have the plug. So I'm just going to go in and grab that little release, pull it out, and then we'll push it through. Oh, are you going to be able to catch that?
Yep.
Okay. There we go. Oh! Oh! Anyway, so now that we're done with that, we need to clean up this gunk. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. It's just like, oh, tasty. Ooh, forbidden frosting. Yummy.
Ew.
Don't eat that. Okay. So now what we need to do, because we want to keep this piece, so we got to get all this gunk off of here. So these look a little bit stripped, these screws, which is why we bought that second kit with replacement screws. So we'll see if we can get these out nicely. But that's the next step. We're going to remove these screws here. We're also going to remove these 3 screws because this bracket needs to come out. As you recall, on our new kit, we already have that bracket. It's all one piece. So we're just going to take that one off. And what that is, in case you're curious, it's this smart button. That's what that's for. So, okay, we're going to go ahead and do that. So first things first, went ahead and gloved up, double glove, just to make sure that in case any of this gross stuff gets on me, it's not stuck on me permanently. So first things first, let's try and loosen up these main screws. We'll see if I can do that. Nope. Maybe this one. Nope. Okay. And that is why Jesse's the strong one. Oh, Jesse!
Oh yeah, screws. I did get this one a little bit. It is like when cutting bamboo with a broomstick.
Famous sayings from Jesse Becker.
You must turn it soft but hard and fast.
And slow.
And quick. And precise.
But without rushing.
Yes, with much patience. I am not double gloved.
Oh no! Quick, get him to the emergency room. How's he doing, doctor?
He'll live.
Okay, see if we can give these little guys out. Oh. Haha! Oh, maybe not. Oh, my strong Jesse. Unfortunately, I can't get these other ones either.
One's here?
Yeah. I tried this one, but it's already kind of chewed up, and I accidentally chewed it up a little bit more.
That's okay.
Nice, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. I'm gonna try something different on that one. You guys didn't know this was gonna be a hack video. If you can get the rubber band, or however you need to do it, but if you can get the rubber band in there, it'll like fill the gap.
Testing a hack.
Well, maybe that hack's not quite going to work for this situation.
Yeah, that's not good.
Okay. Well, as you guys probably just saw, we tried quite a bit yanking on this, and it just doesn't really seem to want to come out, so now we're going to go ahead and manhandle it and get it out. Well, there we go. I guess sometimes manhandling is more subtle.
Heyo, ladies. No, I'm just kidding.
Anyway, yeah, well, okay, that was easy, and that's the solution, and, you know, it's funny when things are confusing, and then all of a sudden you see what's the problem, and it's like, oh, well, no wonder. So it looks like the little housing for this piece is separated, so that'll be easy. We can get that off now this way.
Booyakasha.
Just had it going from behind.
Oh, yeah.
Not that kind of channel.
Oh, no.
All right. Well.
All right. I'm just kidding. I'm done.
Are you, though?
I don't know. Can I take this out, too?
Yep. Unless you want me to, because I have the gloves on. Should pop. Oh, wait, we have to undo this. Oh, yeah, you undid the screws. Maybe there's some plastic clips in there.
Oh, that's where the screws go.
It could just be the gross piece. Let me peel the nasty off. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna break the plastic. You want a razor?
Yeah. Okay. Ugh. This is really sticky stuff, you guys. Feels like it almost just wants to pop out. It's just this disgusting tar is in the way.
You want to try to slice it?
I tried to, but it didn't want to slice as much as I thought it would. I'm going to start by just pulling these big pieces off, and then that way you can see what's going on underneath. Okay, here we go. So there's some little like ledges in here. You can kind of get your screwdriver in there and lift. Do you know what the other one is? I just want to look at the one we have so I can get an idea of what's going on with this piece. Okay, yeah, okay. It does have its own little... I wanted to see if it had these little things because I wanted to see if those were supposed to come out too, and it does. So I'm gonna... Thank you so much. Yeah, it definitely comes out. It just feels like it's really like corroded in there or just really stuck.
You want to check?
Yeah. There's a pair of gloves right here for you.
That sounds cool. Yeah. Don't use tools you don't want getting dirty. But that's what tools are for, I guess.
Make sure I pinch it from behind.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Not too shabby.
No breakage. Good job, Jess.
Yeah,
And good job, Carm. Yeah.
We both know that that is my specialty. So he said that he fed it through, the video I watched, he said you have to feed it all through.
Gotta go that way a bit more.
Jenga.
The square one goes in the round hole. That's right.
All right. Now just a little quick cleanup, and then we'll be ready to put the new button in. All right, here we have it. Look at that. It's all clean. So now we're all set to put the new system in and get it all plugged in and screwed down, and then we'll get it put back on the back of the car. All right, so now we will do what we did before. We'll feed everything through here. This one goes in easier upside down. At least it did for me. This is our little button cover. So we'll just put that in there. There we go. Looks like the little tab goes on the side with no lines. And then this goes in here like that. So we'll just get these screws put back in first. And now I see why these were so hard to get out. Looks like it's a little bit hard to get them in too. There we go. So we'll get the second screw in here. Now we have the button secured. My hands are very gross. We'll go ahead and get this wire. Let's see. Looks like it maybe goes like that. I'll just hand start these. These ones are a lot easier. On the button, you actually like create your own threads, so that's why that one's kind of a son of a gun to get out, I'm assuming. Alright, and just like that, you wouldn't even know it ever had a problem. Ta-da! Okay. One thing that's really important to keep in mind too, if during this project your back hatch is not shut all the way while you're cleaning things up, turn your light setting to not be on when the door is open. That way you don't have all your dome lights on while you have that back hatch open. So that'd be my advice. All right, so we're all set. We're back at the car. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just feed this through this hole where it goes. And then I'm gonna get it like secured into its proper position. So there's like a lip right here. It's kind of hard to see, but when you're doing it, it'll make perfect sense. There's this little lip. So you want to push your weatherproof strip or your weather plug all the way back till that like a baby doll's head, you know, back in the day when your baby doll's head would pop off and you have to get it back on. It's basically just like that. You just kind of work it around and around till it gets in, and then boom, now we're all set. Now I'm just going to line up everything, make sure the wire is where I want it, and get the lights and the camera and everything, action, get it all lined up, and then line up my little clips. And there's this weatherproof strip here too that should go over it, so when you clamp it back on, don't pinch that or you'll get water in there. More than normal. And then we just get it to snap in.
Perfecto.
There we go. And that's how you do it.
And now...
Oh my goodness, now for the moment of truthies.
Oh wait, it's not plugged in on the inside.
Oh yeah. If anybody does happen to have an issue where like you can't use the button, it's fully broken and you can't get this open to start the project, there is down in here under this, right in here, you can reach down in here, there's a cable. It's going to be almost impossible to see right there. You can pull on this cable and activate the button. So there is like an emergency access to that if you need it. Just so you know, it's way down in there. There's videos on YouTube about that. But I'm going to take this. So when I stuck it in, it kind of tucked under, but this is my piece here. And I'm just going to go ahead and clip it in. And now it should be fully ready, plug and play. Oh my goodness. Works on the first try. I would pull on it, but you know, remember this isn't attached, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, it definitely works every time. In fact, it's very satisfying. Ah, man. I'll be the talk of the grocery store parking lot now.
Yeah, guys, come check out my cool button. Oh, man.
Yeah, look at my button.
Just kidding.
Now, before we get too excited, better cover up all the guts in here.
Right. The guts.
go. And now we are complete. Please put me in the video. Please put me in the video.
Alright guys, well, done and done. So that was nice and easy. There weren't too many hard parts. We'll put the item number up on the screen that way in case you guys are wondering exactly which one to get, which one we got, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, we were lucky. We got a Toyota part, like a replacement part for like $130. And that's pretty much our only cost for the project, because luckily my uncle, Matt, helped us out with a little bit of some special 50/50 epoxy for like cementing things into the ground and things like that. We used that to kind of repair the broken part, but we didn't have to pay for that. So yeah, just $128 plus tax was our cost on it, and definitely a lot cheaper than going through a shop or anything like that.
Boom. So yeah, if you liked the video, like it. If you subscribed, you're awesome. Comment below if there's anything we missed, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
And don't forget to share. Just kidding.